Welcome to Foodie. We're gonna make a nice breakfast this morning. It's gonna be really simple and easy, but I think it's gonna be a little unique taste. So let's get started. This is so simple, and I have never really quite thought about combining these two ingredients before. But first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put 4 eggs into a small medium bowl. Okay, to our eggs, of course, salt and pepper to taste. Let's add just a dash, I don't know, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon or so of garlic powder and onion powder. All right, we're just gonna whisk these till we get these eggs blended. Make them nice and smooth. Actually, I like fork better than a whisk. By the way, I do have my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, I almost forgot my ingredient. I am going to put like a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Obviously, this is optional. Mix that a little bit. Now here's the really interesting ingredient. I'm gonna put in a cup of cottage cheese. And this is something great for us because I always have cottage cheese. I have it every morning for breakfast with some berries. So whenever we want something a little different than just scrambled eggs in a tortilla, which we usually have. All right, that's a good heaping cup. We're gonna add this to the scrambled eggs. And then again, just kind of lightly stir this, mix it in good. But you do want to make sure it's all well mixed. Okay, that's mixed in really, really good. Now we'll take I got a 3-cup baking dish, so it's pretty small. You may want to get a little bit bigger. We'll spray it with cooking spray. We'll just pour this in here. Like I said, hopefully I got enough room. Oh yeah, actually perfect fit. Okay, all we gotta do now is put it in the oven, 350 degrees. For about 45 minutes. And then we'll serve. All right, this looks beautiful. My oven might be run a little cool. Let's put this here good for you to see. But the main thing to look for is the eggs have set, especially in the middle. You know, you don't want it real jiggly or anything, and then you see a nice little golden brown all around the edges. So that's perfect. Let's top this with, I just have some green onion, chopped green onion. Just kind of make it look pretty. Now you could top it with bacon, you know, cooked bacon or cooked crumbled sausage. And actually bacon and the sausage and the onion, I guess you could go ahead and mix in with the egg before you even bake it. That way it's really nice and hearty and meaty. And I guess also if you wanted to, you could make just like whatever you put in an omelet. If you want your bacon, sausage, mushrooms, bell pepper, just make sure it's cut up, you know, very small pieces. You could mix it all in there, and So I'm assuming this is going to become something like a souffle, but we're going to let it sit just for a couple minutes, let it set and cool off a little bit. I'm going to serve this up with flour tortilla. My saying is everything's good on a flour tortilla. We have low carb tortillas, so we have tortillas again like every morning for breakfast. Looks great. Let's go to the table and taste it. Another thing about this breakfast, for diabetics, one of the good things to have for breakfast is cottage cheese. And a lot of people don't like cottage cheese, but this cottage cheese, when you mix it with these eggs, it's almost like a souffle. You don't even know there's cottage cheese in it. So it's very high protein, low carb, very healthy breakfast. Okay, also what you could do on these is put hot sauce, sour cream, flour tortilla. Let's just taste it as it is. Nice, fluffy. I'm a cheese lover. I would probably add a little more cheddar cheese on top too, make it melt on there. But yeah, really good. Kind of a little bit different, so nice. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Foodie right over there. Thank you for watching.